Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into an Oppo A15S. First of all, need to find Google application on this device. If you don't have this application, need installing and then go into. Now in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so click it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant option. Then scroll down and find here general option. This one. And here need click on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant. Click confirm operation, click turn off one more time, and that's it. Now we deactivate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.